Hi everyone. The purpose of this video is to go over the professional interview project, the one that you were working on with your partners. This is not due until the last week of class, the last day of class, but I wanted to go ahead and go over a few things so that you and your partner can begin working together. So the overview, this project will require you to act as an interviewer and an interviewee, and you're going to work in pairs to research career fields, cover letters, resumes, and you're going to create questions for one another and conduct an interview. So phase one is what you have currently submitted. This is the job description, and remember, you can interview for anything that you would like: a job, an internship, an assistantship, anything that you think that you could possibly get right now in your life or upon graduation. I want this to be as real, so to speak, as it can be, so that you can really prepare answering questions and that sort of thing. Then you'll also prepare a cover letter and resume, which is what we're working on this week, and then your interview questions. And so as an interviewer, you will review your partner's job description, resume, and cover letter and write questions for a mock interview based on that. And then you'll conduct the interview. So if we take a look at the requirements, in terms of your portfolio, these are all of the things that you need to have completed in order to get full credit for this project. The job description for the job that you're applying for, your resume and your cover letter. We're going to talk about behaviors and skills used to develop interview questions, so you'll have a list of that. And then also an interview agenda as well. Now when you do the interview, this needs to include the following: a clear opening to build rapport and reduce uncertainty. So you'll need to take a few minutes to go kind of get to know each other, do the whole pleasantries and things of that nature. You need to have at least 2 traditional interview questions, which is typically interview questions about the resume, the cover letter, the jobs that the person typically has, their strengths, their weaknesses, and at least 3 behavioral interview questions. And I've provided you with a document with sample questions, and you can also Google behavioral interview questions and find hundreds of them. But those questions need to be geared towards the type of job that your partner is applying for. Then you'll need to have a closing that defines the next steps of the interview process. You also need to have appropriate nonverbal behavior, appropriate dress, and also follow EEOC guidelines in terms of the types of questions that you ask. And then when you complete the mock interview, you will do a post-interview reflection. This is the rubric that you'll be using to make sure that you have everything. So a clear opening, 2 traditional interview questions, 5 behavioral interview questions, the closing, and appropriate nonverbals. And then this is the interviewee role: greeting, your specific responses to the traditional interview questions. And then we're going to talk about different ways that you can respond to questions using a STAR or PAR method. We're going to go over that, and you'll have a chance to practice with that. Respond to the closing and give appropriate eye contact and nonverbals, and then the completed self-reflection. So this does not have to take place in person. You can record one another. So what I can do is set up in Blackboard. They have a collaborate feature, and I can set up a feature for you that you can use Blackboard to record your interview. Or if you would like, you can use your computers and use a phone to record you conducting the interview as the interviewer and the interviewee, and submit that. So as we get closer, we can work out the best way for you and your partner. But if you would like to use the Blackboard feature, then you will just need to let me know. So this gives you some insight into the assignment. It will be due on the last day of class, which is August the 10th, I believe. So we'll be working on it between now and then. This week we're doing the resume and the cover letter, the self-evaluation, which is something that's very important to have before you embark on job interviews, is kind of know yourself a little bit better. And then also a draft of the interview agenda for the mock interview. Now please notice that I do have the resume and cover letter due by the 25th, so that your partner can review those in preparation for writing the interview agenda. So please make sure your partner has your resume, cover letter, and job description as well that they're applying for. So please let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be touching base with each group of partners over the next few days just to make sure that everything's good and that everyone has made contact, and that you understand what's going on. But thanks so much, and I'll talk with you guys later.